Hello viewers, there's a trick I just learned on how to simplify this cubic equation. Stay with me to the end of this video. This trick is going to help you so much, and if you find value at the end of the day, please consider subscribing. So let us go over to the question right now. The trick is, 36 can also be written as 27 plus 9. Because 27 plus 9 will give me 36. So I have a cubed plus a squared. Okay, now I have a cubed plus a squared is equal to 27 is same as 3 to the power 3 plus 9 is same as 3 to the power 2. So I want to take these guys inside the equation. So I have a cubed minus 3 cubed plus a squared minus 3 squared is equal to 0. And this is difference of cube and this is difference of square. Difference of cube, for a quick reminder, if you have a cube minus b cube, is going to be expressed as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, okay, for difference of cube. And for difference of squares, a squared minus b squared is going to become a minus b times a plus b. So let us apply all of these things here. So I have this guy as difference of cube and difference of square. So this guy is going to become a minus 3 times a squared plus 3a, okay, plus 9. Then we have this guy as this. Then plus we have a minus 3 times a plus 3, all equal to 0. So that is what we just done. We just utilize the difference of cube and the difference of square. Okay, I hope this is clear at this point, so we can proceed. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to factor out a minus 3 is common, so you want to factor out a minus 3. So you have a minus 3 is common, then into we have a squared plus 3a plus 9, this is 9. Then of course we have here plus a plus 3 equal to 0. So at this point you have a minus 3, then into a squared, 3a plus a will give me 4a, and 9 plus 3 will give me 12, equal to 0. Now, from quadratic equation, when the product of two things is equal to 0, it means each of them or both of them are all equal to 0. So here we have a minus 3 is equal to 0, or we have a squared plus 4a plus 12 is equal to 0. From this point, a is equal to 3, and this is the first root for a, and we are going to solve this quadratic equation to get the other two roots of a. So let me take off this other side from the board. So I have these guys cleared. So viewers, here we're going to solve this problem with the quadratic formula that says a1, 2 is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so in this point, if you compare this equation with the standard equation of a quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you can see that these guys are the same coefficient. So a is equal to 1, your a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 4 from here. You can see that b is equal to 4, and lastly c is equal to 12. So I'm going to plug a, b, c into this formula to get the other roots of a. So I have a1, 2 is equal to my minus b, so I have minus, and b is 4, so I have minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4. My a is 1 and c is 12, so 1 times 12, okay? Yeah, so at this point, all over 2 times 1, okay? But a is 1, okay? So if we simplify, we have minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 times 12 is 48, okay, all over 2, okay? Yeah, so the next thing you want to do is say minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 over 2. And from here we can say this guy is minus 4 plus or minus I square root of 32, because this guy can also be expressed as minus 1 times 32, and you know I is the same as square root of minus 1, okay? That's how we got this, and all over 2. So at this point, a2 is now equal to minus 4 plus I root 32 all over 2, and a3 is equal to minus 4 minus I root 32 all over 2. So these are the roots of a, okay? These are the roots of a for this cubic equation, okay? That's the root of a for the cubic equation. If you find value, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye.